have two younger siblings, and we would watch a lot of My Baby Story, TLC programs. Seeing women go through that experience of conceiving, giving birth, I thought that was really interesting, and it propelled my interest in the reproductive system. I do want to work with Black women, with fertility specifically, so I decided that that was something I wanted to do for the future. I chose Emmanuel because of the small size, and I knew that my experience would be intimate and catered to me. I knew if I came here, people would care about my future. Emmanuel's location, having Harvard so close, I think that cuts down any barriers for me. We meet with the Emmanuel lab, and then once a week we do lab meeting over at Harvard Med, and I get to talk to the PI there, Dr. Kuroda, and Dr. Kang. He helps me a lot. So being able to walk over just a couple steps over to Harvard Med and working with people that are experts in the field and hearing from other people, trying out what they say, and seeing how that benefits us, I think that's really cool. I'm the captain of the women's track and field team, and I'm also the treasurer of the class of 2025. I think these leadership roles are helping me grow because with so many that I do, I think it helps teaching me ways to work with other people, working with faculty members, not just in that teacher-student setting, but also as peers, as coworkers. I think that's an amazing opportunity. I don't think if I was at any other school, I'd be as involved. I know being away from home and people are coming from all parts of the world, by being at Emmanuel, you won't feel like you're just a number. You are a person and you're cared for, and people will advocate for you here. It being the heart of Boston, I just think about it almost like the blood pathway. The heart pumps the blood to the rest of the body. So having Emmanuel as the heart, we're able to almost spread out into the rest of the city and have all these connections stemming from this central point. Emmanuel is the heart of science. Emmanuel is the heart of Boston.